morning, everybody. We are going to make Hersey S'mores Cookies. Yes, that's right. I got these on sale. I've never heard of Hersey S'mores bits before. So we're going to make cookies. I've got the oven already going at 350, and you want to bake the cookies 8 to 10 minutes. So you want to beat the butter, the brown sugar in a large bowl until well blended. Okay, so here's the butter. Plopping right in. Just like that. I don't like to click my bowls or anything, as some of you already know. My grandmother always taught me not to do that. You got to remember, she was in the Depression ages, and if you broke something, it cost a lot of money to get it replaced. And you want to take your brown sugar. Everything will be in the description box below. So if you find these some more bits, you can make them. So we're going to blend this well together. I hope everybody's having a fine morning. It's been a little chilly here in Maine in the morning, but today it seems very warm out. It's kind of muggy and hot, which is good. Okay. Seems like that's blended fairly well. Just like that. And then it says stir in the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. So we're going to stir in. Okay, we're going to stir in another bowl. Let's move this out of the way here. We're going to put the flour. And the baking soda. And the salt. And we're going to put the vanilla in here and the egg, just like that. Now we're going to blend those in. Just going to blend it in. And I use Mexican vanilla, for those that don't know. I went to a wonderful village that makes vanilla when I was in Mexico, and I got myself a pint bottle, a half a pint for $2, pure vanilla. Oh, and it smells wonderful. Okay, just like that. Then we're just going to stir in this mixture of flour, baking soda, and salt. Just like that. And then we're just going to put this in a little bit at a time. Just like that. And I think I'll just blend it with it. Then we're going to put a little more in. Just like that. I had to open up the windows because with the oven going, it got a little warm in here. Just like this. It's hard for me to do it by my hand. You can do it by hand if you want, but I'm using this. It's starting to labor a little. It's got nice, beautiful dough, I can tell you that. Just beautiful. There, just like that. Let me grab a big spoon. Hold on. Just 1 second here. Well, I went to grab the spoon. I had the vanilla over there. See how they do it over there? This cost me $2. And they tie plastic. So when you're in the town, the women are walking around with this on their hands or a long stick selling them, just like that, and that's how you buy it over there. In the particular area I was in anyways. I can't pronounce the name because it's bigger than I am, and that's pretty darn fluffy. Okay, we just want to get this off here. Get as much as we can. Now I'll be starting to bake more because it will be getting a little cooler. I may be sitting in my chair that Ray bought me, but he hasn't quite finished it yet, so it's not the right height. but the poor man's running ragged between working a lot and trying to deal with things that I need, trying to get the garden done up. As everybody well knows, it's that time of year. Okay, and then what you want to do, it says to use, this is a 7-ounce bag, and you want to use the bag, but I think that's going to be a lot, and you want to reserve out a 1/2 cup to put some morsels on top. So we'll see. Let's see here. Smells good. I like marshmallows if they're not cooked. And you know what you could do once you get these done? You could put a little ice cream between the 2 sandwiches, and that would be pretty yummy. Yeah, maybe we can. We'll just use the whole bag up. If not, Ray's going to be snacking into it. Not that he couldn't use it, but I don't need the fluffiness. I like muffins. That's probably, muffins and pie is my favorite. How about you? Do you like muffins or pies? I don't think we're going to need any on top, but that's what it says. I bet this would be good on top of your cereal. They may even have some more cereal out. I'm not even sure about that. Okay. It's mixed in pretty darn well. It says you can use a teaspoon or a tablespoon, whatever you're comfortable with. Here's my cookie sheet. Here's my reserved here. And I got my little cookie scoop today. Let's see, does this one have a number on it? Some have numbers and some don't. And this one does not, but I would say this is probably a tablespoon. And I'm just gonna go in, plop it right down like this. Just keep plopping them. And they said to top it off. So we'll just stick a few here and there. And I'll bring you back once I take them out of the oven and we'll see what we have and we'll have a taste test. Okay folks, I'm all done and these are the cookies. Don't they look wonderful? They made 26 S'mores cookies. That's great. Now what I'm thinking is you could take 2 of these, put a little ice cream, and make yourself a wonderful sandwich. But I'm not going to add the extra calories. I've got one right here to try. I'm not a big S'mores person. I have some mango peach drink. It's wicked good. Okay, let's go. I'm going to show you up close. You've got everything that's on a S'mores. Graham crackers, chocolate chips, and little bitty marshmallows. That's the cooked really good on there. My oven took 10 minutes. So here we go. I love the dough. The dough is so good and so moist. So thumbs up folks if you like this video. Very good, very easy. Everything will be down in the description box below. These are S'mores cookies. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.